Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, Southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:38 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lake Koshkonong to Footville to near Monroe, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include eastern Madison, Janesville, Beloit, Fitchburg, Stoughton, Monroe, Oregon, South Beloit, McFarland, Milton, Edgerton, Evansville, Marshall, Brodhead, Cottage Grove, Belleville, Deerfield, New Glarus, Clinton, and Cambridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for south-central and southeastern Wisconsin.